Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I have a super fun video for you guys today. It's all about the fall, because guess what? It's September. Although Mother Nature, I don't think, got the memo because it's going to be 100 degrees here in northern Utah. Anybody else looking for like hot weather this weekend? Cooler weather? I'm ready for boots and sweaters, but I don't think I'm going to get there just yet. But anyway, all these projects take about 5 minutes or less. They're super easy to do. And as always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. I'd really appreciate it if you enjoyed this video, if you give this girl a thumbs up. It's completely free and it helps me out. And also comment down below. Let me know what your favorite project is that we're doing today. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on. You know you want to join. I'm only less than 40 subscribers away from 500 where I can get my community tab. And I'm doing a mega brand name makeup haul and surprise goodie giveaway for my 500 subscriber giveaway once I hit there. So definitely help a girl out, share, like, comment, subscribe, do all those wonderful things. You know you want to. It's super fabulous. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's projects. Thanks for spending the day with me today. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, for our first project, you'll need one of these monogram leaves from the Dollar Tree. And a set of stickers from your choice, And you will not believe how easy this one is gonna be, guys. So essentially, we're gonna take this monogram leaf. I'm gonna pick a sticker off of it. And you just want to make sure the sticker you pick covers up whatever the letter is on the leaf. Oh, so many choices. So many choices. You know what? I think I'm going to do the sunflower one. And then, voila! Look at that. Super easy, super quick, super cute. For project number 2, you're going to need some of these decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. If you can't find those, no need to fear. You can also use some of these pieces and just paint the backgrounds. You're going to need some of these stickers. I'm using these Gnome ones, but you can use whatever you like. Some magnets. And my trusty glue gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pieces here and I'm going to pick my gnomes that I'm going to put on here. So easy, guys. You just can't stand it. So I'm just peeling them off. Sticking it on like so. But like I said, you guys can use any stickers you want. For example, if you wanted to, you could use these instead. I just think the Gnomies are super cute. So here's Gnome number 2. And then, oh, Starbucks or Hot Cocoa Man. I like Hot Cocoa Man. I think he's cute. Hot Cocoa Man. There we go. And then you're going to take some of these magnets. You're going to flip these guys over. And I did test out. You just need 2 magnets per piece. And they will stay on your refrigerator. I tested it out for you guys. So here's where my trusty glue gun comes into place. You're just going to kind of want to space out. Where you want to put these guys. glue those on there. And of course you're going to let your glue set. And then you will have a spiffy magnet for your refrigerator. How cool is that? Alright, and for our final project, I left the most complicated one for last. You'll need one of these signs from the Dollar Tree. This one I got in like the regular picture frame, but I think they have some for the fall. You'll need either scrapbook paper of your choice, or if you want to keep this in all Dollar Tree DIY, they do have these farm style wallpaper sheets that you can use. You're going to need one of these chalkboard ornaments. You're going to need optional one of the Jenga Block pieces. You're going to need your pencil, your scissors, your glue stick, and your glue gun. So what I'm going to do with this, like this one says wishing you harvest blessings, so they do have them in the harvest department. These just pop right off here in the back. Pop that bad boy out. I'm going to place it on my paper here. I'm going to do it corner to corner here. Trace it out. And cut it out. And then I'm actually just going to stick it right here on the back. I'm going to use my trusty glue stick from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to cover this with glue all over. Get a nice big coat of glue on there. If you want, you can use Mod Podge, you can use double-sided tape, whatever you got on hand. And then I'm going to stick this bad boy on there. Try to line it up. Smooth it out. Make sure you get it on there straight. I did not, apparently, so let me try this again. As they say, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Okay. So I'm going to put this back in here. Put the little prongs back in. I'm doing it so the lines are facing that way, but you can do whatever you want. And then I'm going to take my little ornament piece here. I took one of the twine pieces and made a little bow. So I'm going to put a dab of glue where this little hole is. And I'm going to put my bow there to kind of cover up that hole so you don't see it. Ta-da! Now we can go two ways with this, guys. We can glue it directly on the frame, as so. Or, as I mentioned, you can use a Jenga Block piece to glue on the back. Or actually, you can just place it there and then glue the piece on if you want it to stand out. Whichever way you want to roll with it. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and go the Jenga Block route because I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm going to put some glue on the back here. And I'm going to put it on my pumpkin. And then I'm going to put some glue on the other side. and place it on my frame. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. How freaking cute is that? And if you want to zhuzh it up a little bit, you can always throw a sticker on there. Just saying, if you want to give it a little extra something something.